Hey guys, this is Darlene and this is All-in-One Notebook channel. For today's video, let us find the product of the following expression numbers 1 to 5. But first, let us see the equations. So as we can see, these equations were factored out. So we will find the product of these following expression. Okay, so let us start at number 1. So number 1 is 5 times x squared plus 3. So is equals to 5 times x squared is 5x squared, and 5 times positive 3 is equals to positive 15. So the answer is 5x squared plus 15 is equals to 0. So this is our final answer. Next, number 2. So number 2 is m plus 8 times m plus 5. So let us use the FOIL method. So FOIL stands for the first term, O stands for outer term, and I stands for inner term, and L stands for last term. So we will solve for the first term here. So the first term in this equation is m and times m. So m times m is m squared. Next, the outer term is m and positive 5. So m times positive 5 is equals to 5m. So next, the inner, so 8 times m is positive 8m, and the outer term, and the last term rather, so 8 times positive 5 is equals to positive 40. Let us simplify this equation because 5m and 8m can be added because they have the same variable. So 5m plus 8m is equals to 13. So 13m. Then copy the remaining variables and numbers. So m squared and plus 13m plus 40. So transpose m squared plus 13m plus 40 is equals to 0. So this is our final answer. Next, number 3. Number 3 is quantity of 7 minus 5 times the quantity of 7 plus 2. So let us use the FOIL method. So the first term is z times z is equals to z squared. So these are the first term again. So next, the outer term, z times 2. So it's positive 2z. So the outer term. Next, the inner term, negative 5 times z is equals to negative 5z. Here, the inner term. Next, now last term, negative 5 times positive 2 is equals to negative 10. So let us simplify. Is equals to z squared 2z minus 5z is equals to negative 3z minus 10. So transpose z squared minus 3z minus 10 is equals to 0. So this is our final answer. Number 4. So 1/2 x times x plus 9 is equals to, so 1/2 x times x is 1/2 x squared. Next, 1/2 x times positive 9 is positive 9/2 x. So this is our final answer because 9 can be divided by 2. As we can see here, there's no common between 9 and 2, so we can divide 9 by 2. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer because we can't add 1/2 to 9/2 because of their variables. They have different variables, even though their denominator are the same. So let us proceed to number 5. So 8y plus 2 times y plus 4. So is equals to 8y times y is 8y squared. We are using the FOIL method. So next, the outer term, 8y times positive 4 is positive 32y. Next, 2 times y is 2y. And last term, 2 times 4, positive 4, is positive 8. So let us simplify. Is equals to 8y squared, 32y plus 2y, because they have the same variable, and both of these equation with variables can be added. So 32y rather plus 2y is positive 34y, and copy positive 8. So transpose 8y squared plus 34y plus 8 is equals to 0. So this is our final answer. As we can see, all of the answers are the degree 2. So therefore, we can conclude that these answers are quadratic equation. The given expression numbers 1 to 5 are in factored form. So as we multiply each of these, they give us quadratic equation.